Hello, today I'm going to take you through an exciting topic that's crucial for anyone aspiring to break into management consulting, and that topic is guesstimates. Now, what exactly are guesstimates? So, here is a bookish definition for you, which you can find anywhere on the internet. But in a very simple terms, as the name suggests, a guesstimate is a smart guess. It is when you don't know the exact answer, you break down a problem into smaller parts and use common sense and math to get a close answer. For example, if you want to estimate the total cups of tea people drink in India in one day, you don't know the exact number. Nobody knows the exact number. But what you actually know is the population of India that consumes tea and an average tea consumed by a person in one day. If you multiply both these numbers, you will get the answer. It might not be entirely perfect or 100% accurate, but this is not about an accurate answer. Consultants face these ambiguous business problems every day, whether it is sizing a market opportunity, estimating cost savings, or projecting demands. So typically, a consulting interview through guesstimates confirm tests whether you can think structurally, can you break down a problem systematically, what is your assumption making ability, are your assumptions reasonable and defendable, how are your quantitative skills, and how is your business sense. So before jumping into our cases, let me share a universal framework that works for any guesstimate. So, whenever a question is asked, first you clarify the scope. Make sure what is being asked, you understand that clearly. Then you structure your approach. You lay out a clear roadmap, which is a typical framework or a formula that will guide you through your calculations. As a next step, you state your assumptions. Now, this is crucial. In consulting, your assumptions need to be transparent and defendable. In step 4, you do the math, break down calculations into simple steps, and round off the numbers. And finally, you get your final answer. If possible, you do a sanity check by asking a question: does this number make a sense? And compare it to a benchmark or a real world data if possible. Now, it is important to remember that the guesstimate is not about a final answer. It is all about the approach you take, the structure you formulate, and the assumptions you make. It is not that if you don't get a final answer, you will be out. It is more about how you think, how you break the problem, how you make assumption, and finally, how you do the math. And that's what will make you different from other candidates. Now, in the next video, we will start with cases and